These are Liberty's babies. These are some shiny coats because they have the cafe au lait in them. Even this yellow one is a dark cafe au lait. So you can see like it looks like she has frosted tips. And then the navy, and the tan, and the aqua ribbons, purple ribbon, even the red. I mean, it's all cafe au lait, which is, it's in the brown family. It's a very beautiful color. Kind of rare. You get more goldens than you do cafe au lait browns. Looks like chocolate milk color. So at 2 weeks old, these are Liberties, and not much action at 2 weeks old. They're all piling up because they're chilled, and puppies cannot conserve their own body heat until they are 3 weeks old. So they conserve or stay warm by cuddling up. See? That's the puppy paw. 10 puppies. Big, gorgeous litter. Just starting to open their eyes. They don't do much at this age. They are completely dependent on mom to feed them. She cleans them up by licking them clean. She keeps their house clean. So the floor in the nursery is 98 degrees. So in the nursery, the puppies are comfortable. They kind of all spread out. But in the office here with the air conditioning on, they're just gonna snuggle up to keep warm. Gorgeous litter if you want a puppy that is about 15 to 22 pounds. Except maybe that big orange puppy. Maybe some on the bigger end could be, and if it's a boy, maybe up to 25 pounds for a big boy. But there's only one boy in this litter, and that's this navy blue one with the cafe au lait beautiful coat. So that orange one is a big girl. That is Lulu. So maybe she could go 25, 28, and maybe she got some English Golden Retriever genes back a couple of generations, and maybe she'll get bigger than that. But they're all hypoallergenic, non-shedding, and that's based on DNA testing of the parent dogs for their coat type gene. So, I mean, you can brush these dogs and not even get fur out. It's amazing. I can handle them all day and not have any hair on me, and I'm allergic to Golden Retrievers and of course other dogs, so it's important to me having that non-shedding. So tan girl and then is the curliest girl, and she is definitely that beautiful cafe au lait color. So that is Lily, the curly puppy. Kind of like a brown collar right here. And Lime is Lois. This beautiful Aqua. Lena. Oh, this is cream colored Livy. And then you have orange, Lulu, and the pink one. Should I go see? Oh, can I get you over that way, maybe? So the pink, Leah, and the yellow next to her, beautiful cafe au lait. You can really see that two-toned effect. So the yellow is Lashes. This navy boy, Lambert. Purple's Lady. Red, Lottie. Okay, we'll finish up with these little babies. They actually get microchipped today, so that's free of charge. You'll get registration papers sent home with the puppy on how to register that microchip service.